Good morning, everyone. Thank you so much for learning with me today. Today, we're going to start a new topic. We are going to talk about what careers you want to have when you're older, and we're going to explore a variety of careers. If you forgot what a career is, it's a job you want to do for a long time. My career is being your school counselor, but there are millions of other careers too. Some might not even be invented yet. When I was your age, I wanted to be a veterinarian and help animals, and I wanted to be an astronaut and explore outer space. And I don't do either one of those, although I do have some pets. So it's okay if you change your mind a lot. On the Padlet that you access this video, I have a lot of links. One of my favorite ones is to a story called When I Grow Up by Weird Al Yankovic. He is a singer and a comedian and an author. So he has 3 careers. So check that book out. And then I have some other websites so you can explore different careers. There are some that have games. There are some that you take virtual tours of buildings. There are some that have statistics and tells you how much money you'll make at your career. That's the BLS.gov website. And then there's one of my favorite websites that you might remember called Paws and Jobland. But it's a little tricky to navigate, so I'm going to show you how to get there. Okay. So when you click on the CFNC.org, which is College for North Carolina Foundation, you have to scroll all the way down the bottom. Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, up. And then I see Paws, the little dog, and Paws and Jobland. So I click there. It takes a second to load. Let me move myself over. This is Paws and Jobland. Would you like sound turned on? You can hit yes. Right now I'm going to hit no thanks since I'm going to talk with you. But the sound, there's a song right now that goes on and it says Paws in Jobland. It takes a minute to load. Yeah. Oh, here comes Jobland. Oh, there's Paws. So it says, hi, I'm Paws. I can show you around my neighborhood. Make sure you don't get lost. I bet we can have some fun in Jobland. I want a job someday. I might not decide today, but we can look, can't we? I'll be your guide dog. So I click there. And then there's 4 different things on Jobland. The ABC search down here just gives you an entire listing of all the different jobs that are in Jobland. There's a job finder, which you can take a little survey and it'll tell you what kind of careers you might want to do when you're older. That's fun. And then the quiz is kind of like questions and it comes up with puzzle pieces and you can put it together. But right here, oh, come on, Paws. But this right here in Jobland is where I like to click. And when I click there, it has a town and it has all the different careers in this town. So what you're going to do, you're going to click on any building, anything there, and then you can click on the different jobs and learn something new. There are some jobs on here that I have never even heard of too. So maybe I want to, oh, there's a school. This is education and training, so I click there. And then over here, there's some different jobs. There says counselor, elementary school teacher, fitness instructor, high school teacher, principal, and teacher assistant. What if I want to click on high school teacher? I can click there, and then I can navigate through using the arrows, and it'll have a little video of what it's like to do that job. Well, I hope you enjoy. I'm excited to see what careers you want to have and also some facts that you learned that's new. I will see you guys next time. Have a great day. Have your grace. Bye.